Chasing trades. Early today, yeah. A bit early today. Chasing trades. And get some music going. Yo, good morning. I think tomorrow's CPI. So Jake, yesterday went honestly pretty poorly on most of my. I blew at XF8 yesterday. We're trying to build a buffer. Yeah, I got chopped out pretty early, but yeah, I was able to catch a pretty big move on this funded account towards the end of session. So. Yeah, no, I agree. Like not turn this off. I don't need that many deviations, man. What if I make it white? There we go. We beat the system, guys. Perfect. This is so nice. I can show you guys value as I trade. What's up, man? How did yesterday go? You on deep charts? Yeah, I'm on deep charts. So, dude, this is so nice. I don't know why I haven't been using this before. The trade management is so much better because like DX feeds like originally from Forex, and it's what I used to trade. So this is like so much more familiar. It's pretty nice. This is a hypertext account. It's an instant funded. I like their accounts because their instant funded has no consistency. Yeah, I'm trying out hypertext. Yeah, I'm giving them a go. Yeah, I was kind of interested in their platform, using DX feed, so yeah, I didn't know they advertise it as volumetrica, but I didn't know that was DX feed, like, or deep charts. It's a VWAP. Yeah, the chart trading, yeah. You have that on like MT5 and stuff as well, which I used to really like this stuff. You can set up buys. Oh, probably should have sell up here. You can set like sells up here instantly. Yeah, super nice. Okay. Let's mark out some levels while we got a lot of time here. Let's get to the hourly. Trading off for a second. So this pace. does have snapping. Okay. Can you save templates? Guess you can't set templates. Dang, the market shot up quite a bit. Already up like 85 points. I'll get rid of that. That's gone. That's true. We're on deep charts. 616. How do you get higher and lower bands? On TradingView, you just turn on the standard deviations. There's like a little option for it if you go into the settings. This is on deep charts, so it just kind of automatically came with it. The deviation bands. I have certain levels marked out on other charts, so I'm not going to mark it all on this chart, but I'll let you guys know if there's like a key level that we're coming to, because for example, there's a macro like bearish base that we actually we're getting pretty close to. Feel the imbalance. Oh, we wiped London high and Asia high from yesterday. Okay. Let's go over some macro here. So we did wipe these highs. Let me actually mark out this too. Got a few more highs up there. Do we have any divergence? We got a little divergence going on. Interesting. I actually want to say we're looking bullish today. This is looking like the start of some supply buildup on the macro. So how do I draw? Can I not draw on deep charts? Measure. draw on deep tricks. Let's see. Well, I think for now it's gonna. We have to see how the hourly closes, right? If we break structure, then I think we're gonna see probably this whole push up, like retraced and retested. So this is the first low I want to see tested. Like if we can't break below it, like if we break below it, we're more than likely gonna go down. If we break, or if we can keep on wicking above it, then we can probably see a lot of these other highs tested up here. Man, I don't know. We're accepted back in value, rejecting on VWAP right now. And how much left time? Oh, we got 1 minute left on this hourly, so looks like we're wicking above it for now. There's the hourly close. Yeah, if we are coming down, you can probably definitely see this, like the top of the gap, like retested. So I would want to see this retested. Let's see. Yeah, honestly, I can't really see it going much lower than that. Either the top of the gap or somewhere in this node of volume here. What am I doing? There we go. Yeah, somewhere in this volume node I could see if it's tested as well. But I think I want to see the top of this tested. Right, this is gonna be your key level. This is where bears dropped it, and once you reclaimed it, bulls reclaim it. You get a big push up. Like you get a massive push up here, right, on this candle. How many points was this candle? This is I caught a portion of this move yesterday. That was like 300, dang, almost 400 points up yesterday. That's insane. But yeah, I would say this is definitely your key level that you're gonna want to look out for on the macro. Today, I think the key level you want to look out for kind of on market open and probably within the first like hour or two of market is this low here. If we break below this on the hourly, then we can see lower prices. Otherwise, I think we're gonna chug up to take out a lot of these highs. I don't know. We gotta also be careful. We're in chop zone again. Unfortunately. Right. Last time, every time we're here, you get chop. You get chop. You get chop. We're up here again. Right. So we can definitely get chop here. What does it look like on the 4? It looks bullish on the 4. It still looks like supply buildup on the 4 and on the 1, right? It just looks like we're getting some sort of supply buildup to the upside. But my position look like here? That's 500 risk. What was this level? What do I have this marked? I have no idea what that is. Not gonna lie, I kind of want to long this. Good morning, man. Just Cam, good morning. Give me a second.
Has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions.
Oh shit, I'm muted. My bad. What question was I answering? Alright, I was answering, are you back on evals or funded? I was able to get another XFA funded last night during Asia. So I'm back to 1 XFA, 0 combines. I have 5 lucid evals, and I have a few Tradeify evals that I haven't started either of those yet. And I have this Hypertix instant funded account. So those are currently the accounts that I have right now. And more than likely I'm gonna pick up some Apexes to possibly full port tomorrow during CPI. So that's kind of my plan. But yeah, right now we're at 2 funded accounts and around 10 evals. Do I like shorts? I think I do like shorts more. But I kind of mixed bias right now, so I can't really tell. Like I don't have a clear signal to take, or clear bias, because we're somewhat breaking structure, right? So. So hourly couldn't. The 15-minute was breaking structure, and even on the 15, it looks like we're distributing bearishly. I can't draw on deep charts, so unless you can, and I just don't know how. But it looks like we got bearish distribution. Come up to test Asia high. We can come up to test this high up here, and then you can see let's come down. So it looks like it's distributing bearishly to me. But the fact that the hourly couldn't close below this low here, it's also kind of bullish, so yeah, I don't quite have a bias. If we do come down, this is the level I want tested. Yeah, so yeah, I want this level tested. If buyers are serious, they're gonna hold this. If sellers are serious, they're gonna sell through this. So that That is the idea here. It's 15. Is this account on screen funded or still eval? It's a funded account. This one's the instant funded by Hypertext. Yeah, Hypertext running 50% off. I really like their instant accounts more than their other accounts. Are Instant Pro Plus. It has no consistency on the instant, so. Do I drive a Range Rover? No, I don't. I do not drive a Range Rover. Jay, would you say the winning strategy with props is to cycle accounts? Yeah, 100%. I mean, you can't lose doing it. So, if you're trading props, that's probably the better way to go. But it's not really like a healthy habit to develop if you want to actually like trade a live account. So. "13 minutes till market open, boys." Glass, I got you, man. If you want to join the program, get you to that payout. Big seller at 25. It's right at Asia high too. Sounds good, man. Glaz. Yeah, you can just hit me up on Instagram again if you want to talk a little bit more about it. Testing VWAP. Then we're gonna get a lot of chop here on open. We're like right in between the 14 and 50 EMA, and we're like right on VWAP, so VWAP, whatever you call it. I wonder if you can put anchored EMAs on this. EMAs. What's an imbalance tracker? Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't want it though. Oops. Day, close, low of day. Why are there two highs? That's confusing me. I don't get it. Oh, day -1, yesterday's high? I don't see that in the neighborhood. I don't like it. Get rid of it. write this down. There we go. How many points? How many points are we looking at here? Okay, this is 100 points. That's actually a big move. Good morning. How's deep charts? Can I copy trade TradeAway and Project X? Unfortunately, you can't copy trade, not that I know of, with deep charts. I mean, with Project X or TradeAway, but you can copy trade within deep charts. Like, it has its own copy trader. So, I like the trade management a lot better than Project X or like TradeC or TradingView. Definitely better than TradingView, the trade manager, but it has its ups and downs. I think the charting isn't as good as like TradeC or Project X, but still not bad. Am I gonna trade the instant? What do you mean? Like on the open? Any bias? I have conflicting biases right now. Like there are some things that are pointing bullish and certain things that are pointing bearish. So I don't know. It's hard because like we wick down and the hourly is not able to close below some key levels, but all of our technicals are pointing bearish. So yeah, it's a little hard to say. Do I only use bookmap and price action? Kinda. I mean, I have my own, like, I follow a strategy, if that's what you're asking. Your full porting market open? Let's go. Good luck. Good luck on that full port, sir. Are you going to trade the instant on NQ or am I NQ? I'm not sure what you mean by the instant, Jake. Oh, the instant funded. I see. I'm trading the instant on NQ, not micros. We have like 4,500 to draw down, so we can trade like a single mini. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know. These instant counts are really good. The specs are really nice. So it is a little bit. I don't know. It's not. It's actually easier to get payouts from this instant account, but it just takes a little longer. I think they have like it reduces over time, but it's like 10 minimum days. Oh, the daily loss limit is that on 25K? I'm on the 100K, so the daily loss limit's like 2,500, I think. 2,250 or 2,500. All right, market open. Getting a push up right up to Asia high. Actually, we're right at Asia high. That is through VWAP. It's not looking that strong. But we are on the right side of VWAP right now, so that second deviation. Watch this on the 15. Not a bad close on the one. Can we get through value? I think being able to get through value is going to be the kind of tough part here. We're at the top of value here. It's actually not looking too bad. Yeah, I have a hard time getting through value area. Wonder if that wick closes bearish. Ooh, interesting. All right, that's our first candle close above value. First minute candle. Starting to get a level at 125. Okay. rejection off value. Unable to close above that base at 25.30. It doesn't look like a terrible short, but it just doesn't look weak. We're above VWAP too, so it just we don't have like all of our triggers here. Nice. Can we get a little more follow through? What is book map looking like? Get a little bounce off VWAP. I want to see us start to break VWAP here. ES is looking really weak. ES rejected off of its VWAP and is setting lower lows. Lower lows, lower highs. ES is, or NQ has got a little buy pressure though. Nice. Can we start breaking through VWAP? If we start breaking through VWAP, I'm gonna look for this. Choppy. Kind of like we expected. Projecting off this base. This base is pretty respected right here. And the moment we can reclaim it, we can be up. And the moment we claim go below VWAP, we can short it. For me, it's looking like either or right now, one of those options. I think preferably it goes up. I mean down, because all of our technicals are pointing down. I think we can get a bigger move if we go down. City, bro. Is that it? Haven't quite lost it yet. Alright, I'm tagged in. Ideally, if we can get down here, I might take this off earlier. Especially if this doesn't end up closing below VWAP here, I might just leave this, but there it is. That's not a bad close. Do have a base here. It's choppy. Dang. Stopped out. Alright. Another one of those days, boys. Dude, this is like... I honestly think it's like 7 days in a row. The market's been like this. Can't trust the Q, man. Yeah, honestly, like, what the heck? Oh. Alrighty, our orb is set. Do I add text? Settings? I don't know. It's kind of looking good for a long. Let's see if this can close over. Could look for this long play. Alright, we broke structure. I'll try for a buy here. My stop is a little... I don't want to risk more than 500. Ideally I want to keep my stop below this. We're gonna break through value. There's a big buyer that came in, so. Still big buyers at 25. Stopped out. Unfortunate. Yeah, that buyer at 25 just got ran through. Some ugly price action. Bro, I like can't trust the breakout. trust it. Got a lot of buyers. Now we got a lot of sellers. What the heck? Still a lot of buyers around 25. What's that? Kind of around that low. Right off of 25. A lot of sellers came up at 50. There are a lot of buyers at 25. Just bought that up again. Buyers at 12. Didn't quite come down to 12. Oh, why did that drop so much? We are putting a good amount of respect on VWAP, so I don't think it's a bad idea to long off VWAP, but I want to see this break out, at least out of this range. We've been getting a lot of fake breaks out of this, but maybe out of like 2050. There's been a lot of sellers at 50, so I think if we can break out of 50 and squeeze those shorts out, I think we could be looking good for a long. Dude, look at ES. Look at the wicks on like the 5-minute chart on ES. Do they get squeezed out? We'll see. Testing VWAP again. Can we hold? Does that count? It's kind of a bearish close, not gonna lie. Does this yoink on us? Starting to look a little weak. Got a 1 minute candle close below VWAP. I'm gonna sell one. My target's still the same down here. Let's see if we can break through the orb here. That's really gonna be our test. So we got structural break through key level, VWAP. We're closing below VWAP. We got some momentum to the downside. All of our technicals are pointing bearish. If we break orb here, this is looking good. Nice. Not looking bad. Hoping it doesn't yoink 200 points on us to the upside off of this orb. Don't do this to us. Nice. Let's right onto the bullish base. If this base holds, it's gonna be a little unlucky for us. That base has already been tested once, so it's less likely to hold here. Nice. Market still looks weak here. Still traveling below VWAP. Our EMAs are still flipped bearish here. Nice, that was a good candle. What is bookmap looking like? Yeah, big levels down below. 800. There's a big level at 800. Oh, that's way below our target. Interesting. We gotta flip value here. If you can flip value here, I might actually get more than this. Big level 800, decent level at 900 as well. Nice, that's a good move. We're right at value area low. Can we flip value here? Okay, that's looking weak through value. little buy pressure off the low value. Back up to test the base. Back up to test the orb. I also have another key level mark there on a different chart. Like right where it's at right now, kind of near that, near the orb. So let's see. That was a decent bounce off value area low, so we gotta be a little careful here. Nice, that's a good push, down, come on. Come on sellers, let's sell this off. Nice. Yeah, CBD's going down. This is good. Another try at value. Let's see if we can break it. No, there's no way this holds. We have so many sellers. We got a ton of sellers. Got a big level at 900 too. Dang. They're pushing up so much. We got a lot of sellers in the market right now. Testing the orb again. Back to our entry. Back to VWAP. I think it's fair to give this a little space. I don't think it flips VWAP here. Dang, we're flipping VWAP? Come on. Let's hold VWAP, nice. This trade just not looking as good anymore. We gotta be able to hold. All right, back to the bottom of orb. ES blew through the lows. Yeah, ES is looking way more bearish. Yeah, we're putting a lot of respect on VWAP today. So this is good. I'm gonna move my stop down right to that high. Reduce my risk down just a little. It's really hard to think that this holds the orb here. We have around 20 minutes left till our initial balance, so we will see. Looking good. We're flushing out of value. Let's go. We do have a big buyer at 900. That's right at this low. Squeeze him out. Come on. At 900. Huge level at 800. I wonder if we can get down to 800. If I was in 10 micros, guys, I'd probably shave off like 5 here, maybe 6 and let 4 run. Maybe even shave off 4 and let 6 run here. But I'm in just one mini, and I'm on an instant account too, so I'm just trying to make minimum days. I'm pretty much already going to make the profit requirements. I mean, there's no profit targets, but the profit cap is 3,000 on this account, or the payout cap is 3,000. So honestly, kind of going for base hits. Just take the payout, guys. I assuming that they pay out, I would kind of recommend hyperticks. Like, this account's pretty nice. Like, instant funded, no consistency. This just might be it. Might get more of these. Okay, there was a really big buyer at 900. You're seeing that push up straight up for 900. I want to see this key level tested. If price reclaims 930, I might be a little concerned about this. Yeah, like 930 and get back into value. It could be worth just getting out of this, but I think sellers are in control right now. CVD is just going down and down as well. That level at 800 is bright. I'm gonna try to trail this down to that level at bookmap. I'll be trailing my stop. Okay, well this is a level that I was kind of worried about. If it holds this, I'm out. I actually almost took my stop. That looked like ES just wanted to retest 772. That's the previous base. 786. Dang, I might get stopped out of it prematurely if I keep my stop here. But I don't want to move it. I'm just gonna trail it. This level at 720 has been hard for ES to get through. I'm just gonna leave my stop there. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Dang, I'm getting a lot of buyers in. Let me squeeze these buyers back out. It doesn't look strong at all. Big seller came in. There's also a big buyer sitting at 900 though. There's still a big buyer at 900. Bro, that almost took me out. Dang, come on, let's drop it. Right, we tapped right into 900. There was a big buyer there. His order just got filled. Come on, squeeze him out. Make him flip. Dude, how are buyers holding this, dude? There's so many more sellers. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Another huge order just came in around like 800. or 890. Someone's there not letting it go. That level at 890 is also the 10-day moving average. So I don't know. Gotta be a little careful of that. It's a big institutional level. We haven't really gotten back into value yet though, so I'm still bearish on this. There's just somebody holding it at like 890, 900. Man. Minutes on the 15. Dang, stopped out. Unfortunate. Alright, well, we've stopped down in profit at least. Alright, we're back at the bottom of orb. I honestly might be able to play it again. I'm kind of waiting for the candles to close. If you start breaking structure to the upside, it's not really, I don't really want to be in it, so. Big seller at like 970. Kind of have a hard time getting through orb. Okay, so yeah, we did break structure back to the upside. And we're back in orb. We've been putting a lot of respect on VWAP, so should probably watch VWAP here. know if I want to short this. Ooh, what a push. Damn, we're gonna flip VWAP here. I'm gonna see how this candle closes. Might look for a long here. Let me get in. We'll take a trade to the top of the orb. Actually, maybe right above. Kind of like the space here. Pretty much the same thing. Can we get a push up here? Level up 55. So 55. That's around value area high. The next level above that is around 80, which is top of the orb. So those are kind of the two key levels that Bookmap is confirming right now. I'll move my stop up to that low. Reduce my risk on this if this wants to come down and tap me out. Okay, yeah, tapped out. That's fine. And then you get a little choppy around here, so. Oh, that's starting to look good again. Unfortunate. Let me see if I can get in. I'm just gonna get in there. Take profits on the base. Still got that level of 50. It's around value area high. This is looking like supply to the upside, so I'm liking this price action. Flipped VWAP pretty convincingly. We just got to take value area high. I think if we take value area high, we can take orb high. So let's hope. Broke structure on the 1 to the upside. The level at 82 is like super bright. Right at the top of orb. You guys see that on Bookmap. that level at 85. Excuse me. Moving my stop up. Ooh, let's go. Just squeeze out those shorts. Oh yeah, they got squeezed. Let's go. That level at 82-ish, 83 is still really, really bright. Right at the top of orb. I'm just gonna take out the top of orb. I don't get front ran on this. There are some sellers at 60. So 60 is holding a little bit. I think we continue squeezing though. So this is supply. Supply is gonna pop. Usually after supply pops, you're gonna see some, honestly some, what do you call it? Some chop. So after this comes up, I think this is still gonna come up to take our RTP, but then it might chop around for a little bit and decide whether it wants to go up or down. Still like it. We're at the top of value right now. Rejected a little bit. I think that gets bought up. Let's go. Bulls want this. ES broke structure to the upside on the 5. Oh, our IB is set too. Okay. ES is above its initial balance. NQ not quite, but almost there. It's looking really nice. We just closed above value on the 1. We're holding value. Come on, let's push. Nice. Nice squeeze. Yeah, that level at like 82 is like a magnet right now. Look at that, it's just like sucking the price there. Come on. I'm gonna set this slightly in profit just in case it just wants to like give us like a diddy wick or something. Did we just get front ran? Please don't tell me we got front ran on this. Come on. lot of levels up above. It's so close, bro. Level at 100 is lighting up. Let's go. TP hit, guys. Let's go. Big dub. We hit a minimum day on this account too. So we're kind of chilling. It just keeps going. If you guys are still holding, there's a level at 100, level at 110. Huge level at 150. Oh, dude, 160s? Dude, those levels are massive. Is this going to 160? That'd be insane. This might be going to 160s. So we're breaking out of our initial balance. This absolutely could be going to 160. So this is kind of where you can expect some chop. You know, people are gonna be taking profits here. If buyers hold it here, I might look for another trade, or I might just chill on this account. I'm kind of going for base hits on this account, so. We'll see. I might take it. Is this my personal account? No, this is Hypertick's instant funded account. Yeah, it's super nice because they have, it's end of day trailing drawdown and it has no consistency. I might take this, guys. I might get back in on this move. Just broke structure again on the one, consolidating a little bit for another breakout. I'm gonna get in again. London high. We have a key level. What is that? Oh, it's just a liquidity level. I'm gonna take my TPA on this liquidity level here. I think London high is definitely a valid target. There are big levels at 160. Like those levels at 160 are absolutely massive. this? I'll fix that later. This is a nice trend, guys. This is a low volatility trend. This is what we love. You can literally just buy in and you'll make money. It starts going down as I say that. I'm gonna shut my mouth. $160 shows value area high for you. Is that the New York session value area high? No, that can't be the New York session value area high. What is that, the weekly? So there is a big node at 135. 135. That's pretty close to our liquidity level here. I would say bookmap's probably correct. So I'm gonna take it out where bookmap is saying around 135. Guys, this is the cleanest move we've had in like, I swear, like 10 days. And it comes only after they fake us out of the orb to the downside too. This is all right if it wants to retest the top of the orb. That's why our stop is below that structure and below orb high. In case it wants to test the top of the orb again. You might hop on for previous day high bounce. Where's previous day high? Oh, I see. I could see that too. If you wanted to retrace down there, what level is that? 58? 58. Yeah, that's top of value too. So that's definitely possible. That would stop me out of this trade. So I hope you're wrong. Are you still trading your personal account on YouTube? It's copy traded with everything else. It's down quite a bit. I put 5,000 in it and then I burned like 2 evals or I burned a bunch like last week. So my personal was down a lot. But yeah, it's still copy traded. I'll still copy trade with like my XFA and my evals and whatnot. We want this base to hold here. Starting to lose it. Nice, good push up, buyers protecting. Oh yeah, big buyer came in at 85. Sellers coming in at 125. Oh, they just got spoofed. Someone had a sell order at 135, they just exited. He's no longer in that sell order. You guys see that on Bookmap? It just disappeared. Spoofed us. Yeah, 160, 165. Huge levels up there. So, I'm gonna move this TP back up to 165. Maybe 160. Maybe London High. We'll trust Bookmap. We'll put it at 160 above London High. Buyer just came in at 104. Let's push in the market up a little bit. Let's see. Okatari says it's beautiful. Yes, this price action is beautiful right now. Dude, it's like not even like, it's just so nice. So nice to look at. The fact that we're in a trade on it is even better, but just looking at it, it's pretty nice. Alrighty, can we see a little pop here? Should see a little pop out of this base. ES still hasn't cleared that high. Come on, let's see that push up. Yeah. Guys, I do recommend, if you guys are looking for instant funded accounts, I do think that the hypertext ones are actually, the high key might be the best on the market. I think just the fact that it has no consistency, it's a little bit more difficult because you need 10 profitable days, but you can literally just go for base hits after a big day because there's no consistency. I don't know, this is only my second day trading it, but I'm already really liking it, so just putting you guys on. It's not that expensive either. A 50K is 220 bucks. Other firms are like 300 plus, so. Yeah, I would say the only gotcha is that the daily loss limit to hard breach. So you just gotta not hit the daily, but the daily is like not even that bad, like 1250. Max loss limit 2000 with end of day trailing. Daily loss limit 1250. Just don't hit your daily loss limit, and like you're chilling. But yeah, I just think it's worth checking out, guys. If you guys are looking for instants. Alright, my stop's going break even.
Order filled.
What was that? Why did it say order filled? What are my deep charts? Just yell order filled. Do you guys hear that? There's a lot of volume in between here and like 160, 165. But nice, good push. Which firm is it? Did you say Hypertix? Their thing is also flashing top left of my screen too. The affiliate discount. Check your accounts, maybe fill the trade. I just checked. I just went through my other deep chart, or not my other one, but there's like a web-based one, and there's nothing filled. This is my only account, so I don't know. All right, so we hit that liquidity point here. So this is my first CP. I would have been looking at if I was in with micros. But since we're not in with micros, I'm just gonna move my stop up. We'll lock in 600 on this. But I think that level at 160, 165 is acting like just an absolute magnet right now, so. Dang, we're clearing second deviation right now. We are extended, so I'd be careful here. I do think it's still taking out at least London high and going for those levels at 160, 165, but we are very, very far extended. This is definitely not where I would want to enter a trade. Yeah, 160 is like getting super bright. Super, super bright. To the point I'm a little scared I might get front round. I'm gonna take mine out at 158. All right, we just take London high. Did we take London high? Oh no, we didn't. Almost at London high. I have that marked wrong on my other chart. Hitting some big dubs today, guys. Let's go. You're looking for reversal at 160? I think that's valid. A bunch of sellers at 160. Like that level was massive. Still holding, we're still holding deviation. Boom, let's go. London high taken. Can we get up to that 160, 158 level? Let's go. Nice and easy, boys. Big old dubs. You just watched the sunrise on bro's stream.
Order filled.
Let's go. Oh, maybe it's just delayed. The sound. It just said order filled again. Let's go, guys. Alright, now it's at that level 165. That was another huge level up there. Big. Big, big, big. Let's go. We're up already $5,000 on this instant funded account. We just gotta hit base hits and we take payout on this. Let's go, guys. Big ol' wins today. How many likes are we at? Can you do a giveaway? 121 people watching. 35 likes. Let's get up to 100 likes. We'll give away an account. So make sure to like and follow, guys. If you like and follow, we'll run a giveaway today. That was a good session. It is now 11 a.m. in New York. It's 8 a.m. here. All right, we'll give it like I'll give it like 20 minutes. If you can hit 100 likes in 20 minutes, or so that's like 60 more likes, we'll run the giveaway. So make sure to like, guys, like and follow, and then we'll run it. Oh, we're already at 46 likes, so 50 more. Give away the free account. Let's go. Which country do I live in? I'm in the States. I live on the West Coast. No more trades for me? Yeah, I'm probably done trading for the day. Got a huge win on the day. I got a huge win on my XFA as well. I took the same trade on my XFA. Yeah, my XFA is up 2,700 today. This instant funded's up 1,800. So now it's just about kind of nurturing these accounts to pay out. Right? You want to trade them a little differently now that we have buffers built. Come on, guys, like it up. Thanks, man, appreciate it. Yeah, we're at 49 likes, 111 people watching. Yeah, I'll give you guys 15-ish more minutes till like 11:20, and then we'll run the giveaway. Awesome day. Yeah, really good day, guys. Really good day. We stayed patient. Hit a couple L's in the morning, right? This looked like a really good trade to the downside, but we got chopped up a bit. Waited till the orb formed, traded off the orb and VWAP, and then yeah, once it flipped VWAP, we traded the long off of VWAP and supply build up. Like five trades. I would say all 5 trades were good trades. Just not all of them worked out. And we are up almost 2K on the day on this funded, and almost 3K on my XFA. So we're big chillin'. Congrats on the read, JMK. It was tough to Sam. Yeah, it was really tough to Sam. I agree. Like, this is a bullish pattern here too. It just went down. So really choppy in the morning. Good stuff, guys. Congrats if you guys took the green day today as well. It's not easy to do lately, so. You're selling your wish you luck? Yeah, good luck, man. I think it's a good spot to sell. Like, at least for a scalp, right? We just had a big momentum candle up, so I wouldn't like hold this short, but I could definitely see this being a good scalp. We're very extended. Are any of you guys getting close to the giveaway on Instagram? I'm looking through to see if anyone is close. Someone said, can I get a hint? My eyes hurt from watching the video so many times. Are we writing this down? Like, I could see this coming down a little bit, but like, we just had a really big like bullish candle up, so, and the hourly closed bullish. So I wouldn't, personally, I wouldn't want to be holding this down. Maybe down to like back to test orb at the lowest, right? Or the IB at the lowest. I think the chance that it breaks out of the IB and then goes back down through the IB is like I don't know, I forget what the statistic was, but it's very low. But like I said, like I think taking a scalp down is very valid. Huge book map level at 115. That's right on our base as well. So I watch out for that. I think buyers are going to want to hold that. Yeah, I'll give you guys 10 more minutes for the giveaway. We're still only at 55 likes. Hey Baha, yeah, we're on deep charts. We are trading on hyperticks, instant funded accounts. You can have a big order indicator, see when big buyers and sellers enter the market. Oh, that's cool. Is it on, what's it called? I downloaded it. It's like Deep Dom? Deep Dom, yes. Oh, that's the other thing with deep charts in hyperticks. You get like a free book map. I haven't really set it up or used it. I set it up, I haven't really used it because we have book map, but yeah, you get like a free book map if you trade with hyperticks, which is pretty cool. Did I miss the giveaway for people who use your code for accounts? No, you did not. You did not miss the giveaway. We're still trying to get to it at 100 likes. And if you don't get there, we'll just run a giveaway on Discord for those who use my code. How do I stay calm on my red days? That's a good question, man. I think it's just a part of it. Like, it's hard to I mean, it's not hard to explain, but it's like hard to it's just part of the cost of trading. Like, if you think of trading as a business, right? You have your COGS, right? Your cost of goods sold. Like, you need to buy inventory to sell at a business, and you can literally just think of your losses as your inventory, right? Like, just say you're paying $1,000 for inventory, right? But you're trying to make like $4,000, right? You're trying to make 4x on your money. Just think about it that way. Like, your losses are part of your inventory, because they're gonna happen. Like, you can't just it's impossible to just always win, you know? Even if you have like a 60, 70% win rate, you can have like a 10 loss streak. Like it's possible. So. You bought 2 listed codes yesterday? Awesome. I'll make sure to get you in, man. Yeah, we'll do a bunch of giveaways, especially if you guys want to try out Hypertix. What's it called? Their affiliate team said that I could do some giveaways as well, so yeah, I definitely recommend it. I think I think there are very few new prop firms that are worth trying out. But I think Hypertix is definitely one of those worth trying out. I think their team is I think their team is very, very professional. So like they got all their structure set up. They have a full team working on the project. It's I think especially right now, their prices aren't too high. Especially, I think that's because they're a new prop firm, right? You can't just be super expensive as a new prop firm. So, yeah, as they grow, I think they'll raise their prices. So, I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm just making an assumption. But definitely a good prop firm to get onto before they blow up, in my opinion. Deep charts is included with Hypertix. Yes, you get deep charts and deep DOM. So you get like a book map and this trading platform. Like this is from DXFeed, and I come from trading Forex, so this is like very, very familiar to me. That's why I really like it. The trade manager is really nice. This is my favorite thing about it. I didn't really use it today, but you can literally just one click trade. Set your stops. Set your buys. It's just so easy. So that was like the one thing good about like using MT5 or like Trade Locker, DXV when I was trading a lot of Forex. Like the trade manager was like so much better. For me, lost 3K a day a while back. Haven't felt strong emotion on losing days since then. I see. Do you have an account on FTMO? No, I used to. I used to be funded with them, and they denied me a payout, so I just stopped working with them. I did technically break a rule. Like I broke the 1% max risk rule by like 0.1% or something like that. It was just because the fill was bad. But it's like whatever. You're killing it again. What a bad week this was for me. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, it's hard. This is not an easy market to trade, man. So don't be hard on yourself. Like with the war breaking out, all the news, like this is not your ordinary market. Big level at 190. He's going for it. It's pretty much this key level that we have marked out too. Onkel 2, any advice? What do you mean, advice on what? Trading? I don't trade ES, yeah, I don't really trade ES, but I do look at it. You can see it, this whole bottom screen is all ES on different time frames, so I am watching it while I trade. And be careful trading here, guys. You might get a lot of chop. We just had our expansion. It was a pretty clean expansion too. How do you correlate NQ? Does it help how? Yeah, I mean, they move similarly. So for example, like if ES hits a key level and starts bouncing, like ES or NQ is gonna start bouncing even before it hits its key level, right? So that's kind of the things I look at. Like for example, if I'm in a short position, right? And ES is also going down, but ES hits like a bullish demand first before NQ. Like before NQ hits that bullish demand, it could just like yoink up to my stop loss. So those are kind of the confluences I look at when I look at both of them. ES kind of controls it, so. We're getting that chop. Ooh. Bro, yesterday someone looked out the window and they were like, the weather's really nice, and then I think it was like 2 hours later after stream started hailing. It's pretty insane. Oh, where's my music? Alrighty, I'm gonna check my likes. We have, if we're not at 100, I'm probably just gonna call the stream here, and then we'll just do a giveaway on Discord. For those who bought using my code on any of the firms. Bro, how do I like hypertext? So far, dude, I'm loving it so far. Dude, like, this was like, I can't quite remember how much this account was, like 200 and something bucks. And it's instantly funded, no consistency, end of day drawdown. I mean, I guess the only thing is like you have to trade on deep charts. This is the only platform they offer. But yeah, I mean, I've been loving deep charts. It's from DX feed, and since I started trading on a lot of forex platforms, so this is like very familiar and home to me. So I really like it. The trade manager is really nice. Yeah, I mean their accounts are really good. They're not too expensive either, so it's definitely worth giving a shot. Any slippage? I haven't noticed any. The executions have been really clean. What's their name? Hypertix? I'll put in the... Give me a second. I'll just send you the link. Any discount code? Yeah, if you use my code JMK, you get 50% off. A payout, the cost refundable? Yeah, I think on like third or fourth payout, they refund you the cost of the account, which is like something similar that a lot of forex firms used to do. Are you trading CPI gap up or down? Oh, honestly I have no idea. We'd have to see how price action is before that as well. Like price looks really bullish right now, but it's definitely tapering off, right? Like this is what we're gonna get after expansion. You're just gonna get a lot of chop, so I don't know. We'd have to see. Yeah. All right, I am probably gonna cut the stream here, guys. Yeah, if you guys want to do Discord, make sure you join the Discord, and then yeah, we'll run the giveaway there. Alrighty, great trading day, guys. Great trading day. We'll probably run the giveaway soon-ish. Let me see. I'm gonna message everyone. Yeah, that'll dox everyone. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to. All right, I posted the link in the Discord. Fill out that form to join the giveaway. I'm just matching it. I have your guys' emails, so. What do you think about the C Trade platform? Yeah, TradeC is good too. I do like TradeC. Yeah, solid platform. I just don't like how you can't set like defaults on a lot of your drawing settings on TradeC, but they might fix that later. But TradeC is really nice. Yeah. Nothing else to really say about it. It's a good platform. Hypertix, which platform is user friendly? Do we get bookmap in any? You get bookmap if you trade with Hypertix. They give you, it's not bookmap itself, it's deep dom, but it's pretty much bookmap. It's their version of bookmap. It's pretty nice. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time. If you guys want to make some purchases using the code, to get like extra raffles into the giveaway or something. I'll give you guys some time to do that. And yeah, if you guys are interested, I check out Hypertics. I've been liking them, and I'm probably gonna grab more accounts with them as well. So. Oh yeah, I only made it so you can upload one photo. Yeah, just send in one photo, and then you can write like next to your Discord name, like I also bought X. You know, I also bought like 2 accounts at Apex or something like that. All right, guys. Kirk Townsend, how's it going? It's going good, man. Today was a really good day. Our first good day in a little while, so definitely encouraging trading today. All right, guys. I'm gonna call the stream here. Good luck trading the rest of the session. If you are, personally, I'm done for the day. So, alrighty. I will talk to you guys later. Make sure to join the giveaway on the Discord. Peace. Itachi said, would you recommend Lucid Flex? Yes, I do recommend Lucid Flex. One of my favorite accounts. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream here. Alright guys, have a good one.